Guys, today we have an extremely important video. I'm going to talk about the exact date in which I am going to go heavy into Bitcoin because there is one specific date right now, and I'm gonna talk about not only which one it is, but also the reasons why, because we do have several data points pointing towards that being a good decision. So today I'm going to lay out the entire picture for you. Make sure to stick around from the beginning until the end. Welcome back everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So with that said, guys, let's look at what Bitcoin has been doing here recently. And yesterday you can see that from hitting my orange, the edge of the orange box here, the red line, we have gone down and we are trending down right now, in fact, and we are getting closer and closer to the $28,500 edge of the lower part of the orange box here. So you can see that from this point, we did see a major bounce the last time we hit it. Are we going to see it the same if we come down here again? Well, that remains to be seen. The one key thing happening in the charts right now is for traditional markets actually. As you can see here, traditional markets are going down and we broke down from the top of the orange box here. We're still finding support inside of the orange box at the lower part here at the red line. So this is still holding up the traditional markets a little bit. However, this is something we need to watch very carefully, because if we break down also from this level, then of course we do have the next one here. We need to continue to watch these support levels on the way down, but this is a strong level of support. So let's see if we can hold it for traditional markets. If not, then we're gonna see some more downside for Bitcoin as well. And on the contrary, the DXY, the dollar index, is getting stronger. So you have two things working against Bitcoin right now. The dollar index going up, becoming stronger, the traditional market is going down, dragging Bitcoin with it. So these are the key things affecting the Bitcoin price right now. Also, yesterday you did have something big coming out, and that is that the US Department of Justice is reportedly considering fraud charges against Binance. This is of course something we've been prepared for, but the interesting thing is that they are implying here that the US Department of Justice are not filing those charges against Binance because they believe that that could lead into a bank run on Binance. Similar to what you've seen with FTX and other exchanges as well, when everyone withdraws all at once, well, that wrecks the exchange. So this is apparently what they are considering right now. This is what the article says. Some Department of Justice prosecutors want to file against Binance and the CEO, and also they have also discussed, and this is super interesting, they've discussed plea deals with Binance attorneys, meaning that they could get a slap on the wrist, they could get something to follow through with, however, not super serious. And if this actually happens, this would be very, very bullish for the crypto space moving forward, which brings me to when I am about to go very heavy into Bitcoin, because we can already see that this Binance FUD is potentially already starting to clear itself. And if you look at this guy, Andrew, he's usually correct in most of what he says. And he's been saying here that the Bitcoin ETF is picking up some steam amongst the agency skeptics. So what it says is that expect an administrative delay, and then we see the BlackRock ETF being approved with all the others approved within 2 weeks. So some administrative delay. Let's look at the timeline here. So some delays. The first deadline is here in September. So I don't think that this is going to be approved here in September. The second deadline is in October. So some delays in September potentially, and then being approved potentially in October or in January. So let's say it's approved in October. That would be absolutely fantastic for the Bitcoin price, not only on this specific day, but also moving forward as the ETF actually starts to be traded. And not only that, so let's say they approve the Bitcoin ETF after that first delay here, they approve it in October after the second delay, and then also the ETF, the Ethereum futures ETF, which is followed with a potential spot ETF for Ethereum as well. So you can see how October is lining up to be very, very bullish for Bitcoin if things go as planned here. And also you can see that Digital Currency Group, which is also a major source of uncertainty in the market right now, they are looking to actually resolve all of the issues very, very soon. So let's say the issues with Digital Currency Group gets resolved in, in September or maybe even in August. We have that out of the way. Let's say we get the Department of Justice this gets resolved potentially in maybe in August, maybe in September, maybe in October. Nonetheless, we know that October is usually a bullish month for crypto. August and September usually not. So in August and September, we usually do go down, and then we see some massive gains in October. So this strengthens my thesis to buy during any dip here in September. If we do see a massive pullback in September, I am going to be buying there, and I am going to prepare it. I want my bags ready. On the 1st of October, I want my bags ready because I do believe with everything happening in October, I do believe that that is going to be a bullish month. Now, that is not changing anything in terms of my trading strategies or my trades. You can see my trade on Bybit, by the way, has gone into a loss right now. So that's a bit unfortunate. However, I still do have that take profit at 29,977. So should we have a massive pump here up to the $30,000 level again, that is going to be hit. The take profit is going to be hit. My trading strategies on OKX still doing good work. They're not doing like anything in particular right now because they're waiting for us to have a decisive move for Bitcoin. And if that move is going to be down, I will take action on those trades. If it's going to be up, then of course the take profits are going to be hit, and then everything will be fine. I can just let them be. But yeah, loading up my bags moving into October is my strategy. So we will see if that is going to be a good play or not. Guys, this is what I got for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.